Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to go through the top 5 rated FSCA regulated brokers. Be sure to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let's get started. At number 5 we have FXCM. FXCM is an online, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, shares, indices, commodities, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for accounts are available on MetaTrader 4 and FXCM's trading station, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Available accounts are featured on mini, standard, and active trader accounts with lower spreads, leverage, and up to 40 tradable currency pairs. FXCM also provides their very own education center, which delves into free Forex trading courses and workshops, as well as an in-depth video guide library which covers a variety of trading topics for you to browse through as you please. At number 4 we have FXPRO. FXPRO is another fully regulated online financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, futures, indices, shares, metals, and energies. Their supported platforms are available on the FXPRO trading platform, as well as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, which are available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Their accounts offer FXPRO MetaTrader 4, CTrader, and FXPRO Edge accounts with lower spreads, trading costs, and a variety of tradable instruments. FXPRO also features their very own learning center, which offers a wide range of video guides as well as in-depth explanations into trading topics such as the basics, how to trade on the Forex market, and their very own news panel that follows up-to-date trending news for you to browse through as you please. At number 3 we have IGMarkets. IG is an online, fully regulated broker that specializes in trading through Forex, indices, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and more. Featured platforms for accounts are available on IG's online trading platform and MetaTrader 4, which is supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Available accounts are offered on international, institutional, and retail corporate accounts with expert service, competitive spreads, 24-hour technical support, and more. IG also provides their very own news and analysis panels that delve into various trending news, financial events, strategies, podcasts, and more, as well as their very own trading academy for you to browse through as you please. At number 2 we have FXTM. FXTM is another fully regulated online broker that specializes in trading through Forex, commodities, indices, metals, and cryptocurrencies. Featured platforms for accounts are supported on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and FXTM's Trader app, which is available on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Accounts are offered on Standard, Cent, Stock CFD, ECN, and FXTM Pro accounts, which feature lower leverage, instant executions, and more. FXTM also provides their very own education panel, which features free ebooks, seminars and workshops, webinars, a beginner's trading guide to Forex trading, as well as free Forex educational videos and news articles for you to take a look at as you please. FXTM have also won multiple awards such as the Best Trading Experience, Best ECM Broker, and Education Provider of 2020, making FXTM a great choice for your preferred FSCA regulated broker. And last but not least, at number 1 we have Avatrade. Avatrade is an online, globally recognized, fully regulated financial broker that specializes in trading through Forex, stocks, commodities, indices, FX options, ETFs, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. Their accounts feature retail, professional, spread betting, standard, VIP, and crypto accounts, which include lower leverage, negative account balance protection, risk warnings, and access to a variety of educational tools and services. Available platforms for accounts are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and Avatrade's Web Trader, as well as Avatrade Options and Avatrade Go, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Avatrade also provides the absolute best educational services, which cover in-depth trading guides and videos for you to take a look at as you please. Avatrade have also won multiple awards, such as the #1 broker, most innovative CFD broker, best affiliate program, among many others, making Avatrade one of the best options for your preferred online financial FSCA regulated broker. And those are our top 5 rated FSCA regulated Forex brokers on our list. Subscribe to our channel for more videos and guides. Leave us a comment. Are you a beginner, intermediate, or professional trader? And tell us which financial broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck trading.